So it's our last day in Hobart. Had a fantastic time. Is it worth coming to Hobart? Is there much to see and do? Yes, there is. So I'll put up a few things that are available just in the city itself. Some of the attractions, and beautiful place. Come and visit, it's awesome. We walk around the city and the architecture in the place is just magnificent. A lot of the buildings built in the 1800s from the first settlers, convicts, probably even before that, or somewhere in the 1800s. But have a look, it's magnificent. Doing any tours from Hobart, most of the pickups are from the visitor centre in Davey Street. Can't miss it. You'll see all the buses there. Top place. You know, there's a lot of seafood in Tasmania, and a good place to pick up some fish and chips is on the docks down here. There's about 5 or 6 vendors that sell fish and chips, calamari, seafood in general. So I'll show you that spot. A lot of you would know Tasmania is famous for its seafood, oysters, lobsters, and they're damn fresh and taste delicious. So this is basically the fishing fleet that's down here in Hobart. I'm sure there are other locations, but from what I can see, this seems to be the main fleet of fisheries. It's been mentioned to us that Muir's on the docks here does sensational seafood. The lower deck is basically all fish and chips and you know, a lower price range, but the upper deck, it's more fancy. So try it out. We didn't get a chance to, but you know, if you're down here, give it a go. Blown away with the architecture down here. It's magnificent, and taking into consideration it was built you know, such a long time ago. Magnificent. That's all I can say. I love buildings, and I love building structures, and you know, it resembles part of Europe. I guess it would, because it was settled by the British, and they would replicate a lot of their building techniques out here. Something amazing I found out here. It's the IXL jam factory where it was established. Fantastic. Have a look. So if you come here on a ship, this would be the cruise terminals that you would disembark. Yeah, set up well. If you look up there in the distance, that's Mount Wellington. I did a bit of a clip up there looking down. So from here is a different perspective. We're looking up into Mount Wellington. Tugboats here, when the cruise ships come in, they help them moor against the side of the dock. They're bloody huge. You know, take a look at them. Awesome. So we'll now walk across to the other side of the this basically this bay area, and go to Salamanca, where there's a lot of restaurants and coffee shops and great little eateries. Crane, I guess, used for unloading ships back in the day. It looks like it's steam powered. Definitely a relic from the past. As I was mentioning before, next to Muir's, there's a whole bunch of little ships or boats converted into food outlets, and they all sell fish and chips, and there's a great ice cream vendor down there. I tried the lavender and coconut. Oh my god, it's to die for. So yeah, have a look. This is a good spot to visit. So I'm doing this stroll around Hobart early morning on Anzac Day, hoping to catch the Anzac Day parade, but I thought I'd just show you some of the attractions down here. It's a holiday, there's absolutely no one on the streets, which is great. I love it. There's a whole bunch of tourists coming in, looking at the sights or just visiting. Magnificent ship. It's the Lady Nelson. You know, there's some history behind this ship. I'll have to look it up. I'm not sure. They do tours. It's $50 an adult and $12 children under 12, $20 over 12. It's a 90-minute cruise, I guess, out in the bay. Damn, next time I'm down I'll have to do it. I knew no one down here. Ran into a couple of people from the tour yesterday, lovely people from Perth. It's their first visit in Tasmania. They love it, they want to come back, stay a little bit longer. Heard of the Mona Museum. So you got to catch a ferry over there. We didn't get a chance to do that either. Time's just flown. We've spent 5 nights here over the Easter break, and it's just it's gone like a flash. So maybe next time we're down, I think you need at least sort of week and a half, 2 weeks to really explore the place, because you fall in love with certain places and you want to do more there, you know, time permitting and also your finances. Towards Salamanca now, and Prince Wharf, sheds, a lot of restaurants, bars, cafes down here. Beautiful spot. Probably a lot of them not open yet. It's too early in the bloody morning, but I'll still show you the spots. not going to be here for the market itself. There's a produce market that's on Saturdays or Sundays. I don't know, I'm not sure now. But yeah, so but you know, it's a great spot to come down for a coffee. Architecture here, a lot of these stone buildings built by the convicts, of course, still in use. So I guess you know, they built them to last back in the day. I guess this is the main hub of Salamanca, where all the cafes and eateries are. Yeah, nice spot. Sensational. It's something you'd find in Europe. There's a Salamanca arts center in here. Beautiful. Through one of the little side streets in Salamanca, I think built back in the day, way back in the day. More bloody steps. I'm punishing myself. Those stairs were built in 1840 and they're still going. Probably be here long after I'm gone too. I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Hobart City itself. It's a magnificent place. Come and visit. I'm coming back for sure. Until next time.